Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how we built our mobile chicken coop that was also used as an outdoor brooder for our chicks we got when they were just a few days old. We used 1x4s that were suitable for ground contact and cut them into 1x2s. Our local stores didn't carry 1x2s, so we had to make them ourselves. The frame was constructed with 4 8 feet long, 6 4 feet long, and 10 2 feet long pieces. The coop is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 2 feet tall. We used self-tapping screws for all the connections. First, we made the top and bottom with 2 8 feet and 2 4 feet pieces each. Next, we attached the 2 feet pieces in the middle of the 4 foot sides and at 3 feet from each end of the 8 feet sides. After attaching the top, we added 2 4 feet lengths across the width above the 2 feet pieces and used braces made by cutting 45-degree angles on both sides of some scrap wood and screwing them into the frame. We made a 3x4 door to go on the top of the front of the coop and used 3 hinges to connect it to the frame. The 4 sides of the covered area and roof were made of pressure-treated plywood. An 18-inch door was cut into one side to allow the chickens to get through even when they are fully grown. The same screws used for the frame were used to attach the sides. There was some bowing in the wood that caused some small gaps, and that is perfectly fine for adding some ventilation. Chicken wire was installed for the top of the coop. We opted to do this to cut back on the cost of adding hardware cloth when most potential predators wouldn't be able to reach far enough from the top to get to the chicks. Staples were added to completely secure the wire without the risk of splitting the wood from too many screws. Half-inch hardware cloth was installed on the sides of the coop. We made a door for the front with 4 2-foot pieces of the 1x2s and attached hardware cloth. We added 2 4-foot roosting bars made of 2x2s that were sanded with the edges slightly rounded. They were secured with 2 3.5-inch screws on each end. Once the roof was attached with hinges, our coop was ready to add chickens. We wanted to add mobility to the build, so we added 2 tires that were bolted into the sides of the rear of the coop and 2x4s for extra stability. It's imperative that you raise the coop at least an inch when measuring the center of the wheel, because the weight of the coop will compress the tires a little. A handle was added to make moving the coop less awkward. Our babies loved being on grass. A heat lamp was clamped to one of the roosting bars to keep everyone warm. Having access to grass and bugs was a healthy supplement to the chick starter our little girls ate. Hardware cloth was placed around the perimeter of the coop for added security. As you can see, they will obliterate the grass within a few days. We also connect our chicken tractor to this coop by opening the doors of each and letting the chickens freely walk back and forth to allow a total of 96 square feet to graze. A link to learn how to build our chicken tractor is in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can watch the next video we post, where we'll show you how we created a water catchment system for this coop that allows Mother Nature to provide all the water our chickens drink.